Hey, what's up? How's it going? So when I got into photography, like most people, I feel like it's because we wanted to be creative and it's a fun way to express ourselves. Also, like most people, the further I got into it, the more clients I got, the less I found myself creating things that I wanted to create. So that's what today is about. We're going to go to a movie theater, shoot some portraits, we're going to bring the lights, the gels, and just have some fun because that's honestly, that's what it's all about. And at the same time, we're going to get better and just be creative. So I'm going to bring you guys with me, and I'll put the photos up on the screen for you guys to look at. So just sit back, relax, and kind of enjoy this video. So yeah. Also, check out this little remote. This thing is pretty handy. Just ooh, this looks sick. Yeah, chin up here. I'll show you what it looks like, and then you can do your thing. Okay, put your hand, yep, just put it on your hip. Yeah, actually how you had it, you just did it for a second. Yeah, just like that. And then look at me. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, this looks cool. Chin up. Tilt your head, look right at the camera. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna move back to this. You're gonna sit like right in the middle in the front row here. Oh shit. Yeah. Here. It looks more like studio, but it looks lit. No pun intended. So where do you work at? Is it like terrifying sometimes? Have you seen any limbs cut off?
Yeah.
For sure. For sure. Yeah, breathe out of your mouth, kind of chin up. Okay, now just frame your face with your arms, like this. You gotta post it with one of these songs.
I will.
Okay, now I'm gonna switch to the lens again, and you're gonna lay back down, but I'm gonna try to get like a top-down angle of you. Sheesh. Oh, fuck, this looks crazy. Yeah, hands down like this. Cool, now like put one hand here and then like reach up towards the camera with the other one. Now let's sit back in the seat and look at me. No, just kind of like to the side. Just, yeah, you're like watching fucking King Kong. Let's see. Put your elbow here. Ooh, honestly, I'm just gonna keep that not in use sign there. That's kind of sick. Yeah, and maybe just like kind of put one hand on the seat. Yeah, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Absolutely just killed this shoot. Look at this just right here. That looks crazy. Well, gotta clean this place up really quick and take some pictures of the lobby and of the theater, all that good stuff. That's how I got this for free, is trading little photos for the theater time. So that's what we're about to do right now.